It is a busy morning. You're trying to get everyone ready. Shoes need to be on, teeth need to be brushed. Your little one is playing with toys. They are not listening to you. Your voice starts to get louder. Frustration is building up inside you. This is a common scene in many homes. Parents often feel this way when children do not listen. The first thing many of us do is shout. We think a louder voice will get their attention. But is it truly effective in the long run? Shouting might seem to work in the short term. Your child might jump and do what you ask. But it comes at a cost. It mainly teaches them to react to a loud noise. We want our children to listen out of respect, not fear. We need to think about the message we are sending. Let us start this journey to more peaceful parenting together. Why do we parents resort to yelling? It is often not because we want to be angry. Many times it is because we are feeling overwhelmed. Life is busy, work is demanding, household chores pile up. When children do not listen on top of all that, it can feel like the last straw. Yelling can be a release of that built-up pressure. Sometimes, yelling is a learned behavior. Perhaps we were yelled at as children. We might believe that a loud voice equals authority, but true authority comes from respect, not from volume. Children need to see us as fair leaders. They need to see us as guides they can trust. Understanding your own triggers is the first step. You deserve a calm approach. Shouting at children can have serious negative effects. It is not just about a moment of loudness. It can make children feel scared and insecure. Imagine being small and having a big person yelling at you. It is frightening. This fear does not lead to genuine cooperation. It might make them obey quickly, but it is an obedience based on avoiding your anger. This is not the foundation for a healthy relationship. Yelling can also harm a child's self-esteem. They might start to believe bad things about themselves. They internalize the negativity. Instead, we want them to understand that their behavior was not okay, but they are still good, lovable children. The parent-child bond can suffer greatly from frequent yelling. Trust is a key part of this bond. If children feel they will be shouted at, they might hide things from you. Yelling models poor communication skills. We are their primary role models. Breaking the yelling cycle benefits everyone in the family. Think of staying calm as your parenting superpower. It's not just about keeping your cool, it's about creating a peaceful environment where your child feels safe and understood. When you face a challenging situation with your child, your calmness is key. It's like a ripple effect. Your calm demeanor can influence your child's behavior and emotions. It sets the tone for the entire interaction. A calm parent can turn a potential meltdown into a moment of connection and understanding. If you are calm, your child is more likely to become calm too. They mirror your emotions, so your tranquility can help soothe their anxiety or frustration. You are modeling how to handle strong emotions. This is a powerful lesson that will stay with them throughout their lives. A calm voice and a gentle manner can de-escalate tense moments. It shows your child that even in difficult times, peace is possible. When your child is upset or defiant, meeting them with anger often makes things worse. It can escalate the situation and create a cycle of negative emotions. But if you approach them calmly, they are more likely to listen. Your calmness invites cooperation and understanding. They do not feel attacked, they feel understood. This emotional safety is crucial for their development. This opens the door for real communication. When your child feels safe, they are more likely to open up and share their thoughts and feelings. To stay calm, you need to manage your own emotions first. Self-regulation is the foundation of effective parenting. When you feel your anger rising, take a pause. Recognize your feelings and give yourself a moment to cool down. Take a few deep breaths. This simple act can help reset your emotional state and bring you back to a place of calm. Step away for a moment if you need to. It's okay to take a break to regain your composure. It is okay to tell your child, "Mommy needs a minute to calm down." This teaches them that it's normal to take time to manage emotions. A calm approach creates a sense of safety for your children. They learn that they can trust you to handle situations with care. They know they can make mistakes without facing a huge outburst. This encourages them to try new things and learn from their experiences. This security helps them to learn and grow. They feel supported and confident in their ability to navigate challenges. Remember, your calm presence is a gift to your child. It's a powerful tool that fosters a loving and supportive environment. Section 5. Connect before you correct speaking so they'll listen. To get your child to listen, you first need to connect with them. This means getting their full attention before you start talking. Get down to their physical level. If they are small, crouch down. Make gentle eye contact. This shows them you are serious, but in a kind way. Say their name softly to get their focus. Put a hand on their shoulder if appropriate. Use clear and simple language. Children, especially younger ones, cannot process long, complicated instructions. Keep your sentences short and to the point. Avoid giving too many commands at once. Active listening is also a crucial part of communication. Try to understand what your child is feeling or trying to say, even if their behavior is challenging. Validate their feelings. Use I statements to express your own feelings and needs. It promotes cooperation instead of defensiveness. Section 6. Clear rules, fair consequences, your family blueprint. Children thrive on structure and predictability. Clear family rules help them understand what is expected of them. These rules provide a sense of security. They know where the boundaries are. Think of rules as the blueprint for your family. They guide behavior and help everyone live together more harmoniously. Rules should be simple, positive, and age-appropriate. When setting rules, involve your children if they are old enough. This gives them a sense of ownership. They are more likely to follow rules they helped create. Consistency is the key to making rules effective. Consequences are also an important part of this blueprint. When a rule is broken, there needs to be a fair and consistent consequence. Deliver consequences calmly, without anger or lectures. Remember, boundaries and consequences are about teaching responsibility. They help children learn self-control and respect for others. Frame them as learning opportunities. Section 7. Praise power, catching them doing something right. Positive reinforcement is one of the most powerful tools in your parenting toolkit. It can transform the way your child behaves and interacts with the world around them. It means focusing on and rewarding the good behavior you want to see more of. This approach encourages children to repeat those positive actions. So often we fall into the trap of only reacting when children misbehave. This can create a negative cycle where children act out just to get attention. But when we actively look for good behavior and acknowledge it, children are more likely to repeat it. This positive attention can be incredibly motivating for them. It is about catching them being good. This means noticing and appreciating the small, everyday actions that reflect good behavior. This shifts the whole dynamic in a positive way. The more you focus on the good, the more good you will see. There are many ways to give positive reinforcement. Verbal praise is wonderful. It can be as simple as saying, "I really appreciate how you helped clean up today." A simple, "Thank you for sharing your toys so kindly," can mean a lot. It shows that you notice and value their efforts. Affection, like a hug or a pat on the back, is also powerful. Physical touch can reinforce your words and make your child feel loved and appreciated. You can also use privileges like extra story time or choosing the family movie. These rewards can be very motivating for children. Be specific with your praise. Instead of just saying "good job," tell them exactly what they did well. This helps them understand what behaviors to repeat. Specific praise helps children understand precisely what behavior you liked. It reinforces that action and makes it more likely to happen again. Using positive reinforcement consistently creates a more positive family atmosphere. It builds a foundation of trust and mutual respect. So, make an effort every day to find something to praise. It could be a small act of kindness or a moment of cooperation. By consistently recognizing and rewarding good behavior, you encourage your child to continue making positive choices. This not only helps them grow, but also strengthens your relationship. Section 8. Your daily action plan. Steps to a calmer home. So, how do you put all these strategies into practice every day? Let us think about a common scenario. Your child is refusing to turn off the television and come for dinner. Your old reaction might have been to yell. Your new action plan is different. First, pause and take a breath. Remind yourself to stay calm. This is your superpower. You are in control of your reaction. Next, connect before you correct. Go to your child, get down to their level, make eye contact, gently say their name. You could say, "Jamie, I see you're enjoying your show." Acknowledge what they are doing, then clearly state the expectation. Dinner is ready now, and it's time to turn off the TV. Use a calm but firm tone. Offer a choice if appropriate. Section 9. Building bridges, not walls, the heart of parenting. When we choose to stop yelling and use these calmer strategies, the benefits are huge. We create an environment where our children feel safe and understood, which is essential for their emotional development. Our homes become more peaceful. The atmosphere shifts from one of tension to one of tranquility, allowing everyone to thrive. Our children become more cooperative. They learn to listen and respond positively, fostering a sense of teamwork and mutual respect. Most importantly, our relationships with them grow stronger. The bonds we build through positive interactions are unbreakable and last a lifetime. We are building bridges of understanding and connection, not walls of anger and resentment. These bridges are the foundation of a healthy family dynamic. This is the heart of positive parenting. It is about creating a nurturing environment where love and respect flourish. It is about fostering love and respect. These values are the cornerstones of a happy and healthy family. These methods do more than just manage behavior. They instill a sense of responsibility and self-discipline in our children. They teach children vital life skills, skills that will serve them well beyond their childhood years. They learn how to communicate effectively. Good communication is key to resolving conflicts and building strong relationships. They learn how to manage their own emotions. Emotional intelligence is crucial for personal and professional success. They learn respect for others and for rules. Understanding boundaries and respecting others are essential social skills. They learn about responsibility and consequences. These lessons help them make better choices and understand the impact of their actions. These are lessons they will carry with them throughout their lives. The values and skills they learn now will shape their future. You are not just raising a well-behaved child, you are raising a capable and considerate future adult, someone who will contribute positively to society. Embrace this journey with patience and consistency. The rewards are immeasurable. There will be good days and challenging days. Each day is an opportunity to grow and learn together. Do not get discouraged if you slip up sometimes. Every parent makes mistakes. What matters is how you recover and move forward. The reward is a loving, respectful relationship with your child, a bond that will stand the test of time.